folks are sensitive to the fact that there are various ways in which to sin, and sometimes in recognizing, okay, I stumbled here or I tripped up there, there's a temptation to retreat from the high calling, which God blesses us each with. And, so you find folks saying to themselves, yikes, like I lapse into gossip, or I kind of find myself, like using crass words or whatever it is. So perhaps it's best that I just not speak. But in the background, there's this understanding, and I think a false understanding, that the point of Christian life is to avoid sin. Mm-hmm. When truth be told, that's not the point of Christian life. Mm-hmm. The true understanding is that the point of Christian life is the glory of God and the salvation of souls, and that God wants that to pass through our humanity. He wants it to pass through our, limited understanding and our fallible choice and the real mess of human existence. And so it's more important to focus really on cultivating the grace and virtue whereby to live well, even if it takes us time, even if there are missteps along the way, than to focus exclusively on distancing ourselves from sin. Hopefully that happens, obviously, but when we cultivate a good growth, then the bad growth kind of gets pushed to the periphery.